Hi students. Today we will learn about reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns show that two or more people are doing the same action to each other. Means A helps B, and B helps A. Simple. There are only two reciprocal pronouns: each other and one another. When two people are involved, use each other. When more than two people are involved, use one another. They show that action, feeling, or behavior is shared between people. Tom and Pom are helping each other to row a boat. See? The action is happening from both sides. They are playing with one another. Look, more than two people are involved. More examples are: Jack and Joe help each other. The villagers take care of one another. The two friends hug each other. Reciprocal pronouns are easy. We use each other for two people, and one another for more than two. Remember, if people are doing the same action mutually, use a reciprocal pronoun.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.